Can a bright coral card really make your American adventure smoother, or is it just a splash of color in a sea of traditional banks? We're diving deep into the question, how good is it to use Monzo in the USA? For years, Monzo has been a game changer for millions in the UK, lauded for its intuitive app, instant notifications, and travel-friendly features. But the US banking landscape is a different beast entirely. It's vast, it's varied, and it has its own unique quirks. So, when Monzo decided to cross the pond, many wondered if its signature magic would translate. Let's set the scene. Imagine you've just landed in New York City. The yellow cabs are whizzing by, the skyscrapers are piercing the clouds, and you're ready to explore. You reach for your bright Monzo card, accustomed to its seamless performance back home. But will it work just as effortlessly here? Will you encounter unexpected fees? Are the features you love still available? These are the real-world questions that travelers, expats, and even U.S. residents considering a digital-first banking experience face. The answer, as with many things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. Monzo's presence in the USA is distinct from its operations in the UK. In the UK, Monzo is a fully licensed and regulated bank. In the United States, it operates as a fintech company, offering banking services through a partnership with Sutton Bank, an FDIC-insured institution. This distinction is crucial because it influences everything from FDIC insurance coverage to the specific features and limitations you might encounter. So, let's break down the good, the bad, and the sometimes a little bit confusing aspects of using Monzo in the USA, examining it through the lens of a traveler, a new resident, and someone looking for an everyday banking solution. The hot coral advantages, where Monzo shines in the USA. First, let's talk about the big wins. Monzo brings several highly desirable features to the US market that make it a compelling option for many. 1. No foreign transaction fees. This is often the headline feature for international travelers, and Monzo delivers. When you use your Monzo card for purchases in USD, you won't incur any additional foreign transaction fees from Monzo. They pass on MasterCard's exchange rate directly to you, which is generally very competitive and close to the mid-market rate. For anyone who's ever been hit with a 2 to 3% fee on every transaction abroad, this is a significant saving and a huge relief. Whether you're buying a coffee in Seattle or souvenirs in Miami, you can swipe with confidence. 2. Fee-free ATM withdrawals. With limitations, Monzo offers fee-free cash withdrawals at over 40,000 MoneyPass ATMs across the USA. This is fantastic news, as ATM fees in the US can quickly add up, often ranging from $2.50 to $5 per transaction, sometimes even more, especially when combining the ATM operator's fee with your bank's fee. The MoneyPass network is quite extensive, so with a little planning, you can avoid these charges entirely. However, it's important to note the with limitations part. While Monzo doesn't charge you, individual ATM operators outside the MoneyPass network might. Always double-check for on-screen warnings about third-party fees before confirming a withdrawal. 3. Instant spending notifications. This feature is a hallmark of Monzo's user experience and remains a strong point in the US. Every time you make a purchase, you get an instant notification on your phone. This real-time feedback is incredibly useful for budgeting, tracking your spending, and, most importantly, for identifying any fraudulent activity immediately. If someone uses your card without your permission, you'll know instantly, allowing you to react quickly. 4. Intuitive and user-friendly app. Monzo's mobile app is consistently praised for its clean design and ease of use. Managing your money, categorizing transactions, and setting budgets feels effortless. This modern, mobile-first approach is a stark contrast to some traditional bank apps that can feel clunky and outdated. For those who live their lives on their smartphone, the Monzo app is a breath of fresh air. 5. Budgeting tools. Monzo's budgeting features are truly excellent. You can categorize your spending, set budgets for different categories, like groceries or eating out, and see exactly where your money is going. This level of insight helps users gain better control over their finances and makes it easier to stick to a budget, whether you're traveling or managing your daily expenses as a U.S. resident. The POTS feature also allows you to set aside money for specific goals, making saving more tangible and manageable. 6. FDIC insurance. Pass-through. While Monzo itself isn't a licensed bank in the U.S., your funds are held at Sutton Bank, which is an FDIC member. This means your Monzo account is eligible for pass-through FDIC insurance up to $250,000 per ownership category. So, your money is protected in the unlikely event of Sutton Bank failing, offering a similar level of security to traditional banks. 7. Early paycheck access. For U.S. residents, Monzo offers the ability to get paid up to 2 days early if your employer uses direct deposit. This can be a significant benefit for managing cash flow and can make a real difference, especially for those living paycheck to paycheck. Navigating the nuances, the limitations, and considerations. Now, let's address the areas where Monzo in the USA might not be as robust or straightforward as its UK counterpart, or where it simply operates differently. 1. Not a full US bank. This is the most significant distinction. Because Monzo operates as a fintech company partnered with Sutton Bank, it doesn't offer the full suite of services you might expect from a traditional US bank. This means no physical branches, no checkbooks, though mobile check deposit is usually available, and limited options for complex banking needs like mortgages or extensive loan products directly from Monzo. For some, a purely digital experience is ideal, but others might miss the option of in-person support or a broader range of financial products under one roof. 2. Cash deposits can be tricky and costly. Unlike the UK, where you can often deposit cash at post offices or pay points, cash deposits into your Monzo US account are not as straightforward. You'll generally need to use third-party services like Greened, which can incur fees. This is a common pain point for digital-only banks in the US and can be a hurdle if you frequently deal with cash. 3. ATM withdrawal limits for fee-free withdrawals. While Monzo offers fee-free withdrawals at MoneyPass ATMs, there are often daily and monthly limits on the amount you can withdraw. Exceeding these limits can result in Monzo charging a fee, typically 3% of the withdrawal amount outside the free allowance. While these limits are generally generous enough for casual use, they are something to be aware of if you plan on withdrawing large sums of cash frequently. For example, the Monzo UK standard account has a £400, approximate $500, free withdrawal limit every 30 days outside the EEA, with a 3% fee after that. While specific US limits may vary, the principle remains: there's usually a cap on fee-free withdrawals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.